When it comes to deciphering the enigmatic world of romantic relationships, one of the most common questions is she thinking about me? Whether you're in the early stages of a relationship or have been together for a while, it can be reassuring to know that someone is preoccupied with thoughts of you. Here are 9 signs that indicate she is indeed thinking about you. 1. She initiates contact. If she frequently reaches out to you through texts, calls, or social media, it likely means you're on her mind. Whether it's a quick, "Hey, how's your day going?" or sharing a meme she thinks you'd enjoy, her efforts to maintain communication show that you occupy a special place in her thoughts. 2. She remembers details. Are you surprised by how well she remembers little things about your life, such as your favorite food or upcoming events? If she not only recalls these details but uses them in conversations, it's a strong indication that she is genuinely invested in you. This attention to detail suggests that you are significant enough for her to keep such information in mind. 3. She gets jealous. Jealousy can be a natural reaction when someone cares deeply about you. If you notice her becoming slightly uneasy when you mention other women or talk about hanging out with friends, it demonstrates that she values your connection and considers your feelings important. 4. She engages in deep conversations. When she seeks profound discussions about your dreams, fears, and life goals, it indicates a strong emotional investment. This level of conversation reflects her sincere interest in understanding who you are and what makes you tick, pointing towards the fact that she thinks about the long-term possibilities of your relationship. 5. She brings you up around friends. If your name comes up frequently in conversations with her friends, it's a sign that she's sharing her feelings about you with those close to her. When she mentions you in various contexts, it illustrates how significant you are to her and how often you're on her mind. 6. She displays affection. Physical affection is a powerful indicator of someone's feelings. If she enjoys holding your hand, hugging you, or finding reasons to be physically close, this demonstrates her affection and suggests that you're a prominent thought in her mind. Her desire for physical connection often mirrors emotional attachment. 7. She plays with the idea of the future. When she discusses plans for future outings, trips, or even hypothetical situations involving the two of you, it implies that she envisions you being a part of her life long-term. This forward-thinking attitude illustrates that she's not only thinking about you now, but considers your relationship's potential for growth. 8. She shows concern. If she shows concern for your well-being, asks about your day, or checks in when you're going through tough times, it indicates that she's not just thinking about you, but also genuinely cares about your happiness. This nurturing instinct reveals her emotional investment in your life. 9. She acts differently with you. Have you noticed that she behaves differently around you compared to others? If she seems more relaxed, open, or even playful, it's likely because you give her a sense of comfort and safety. This variation in her behavior signals that you constantly occupy her mind. In conclusion, recognizing these signs can provide reassurance in a relationship. If you notice one or more of these indicators, it's likely that she is indeed thinking about you. Open communication remains vital, so don't hesitate to express your feelings as well. After all, relationships thrive on mutual acknowledgement and understanding.